What's up, travelers? Thanks so much for tuning into our channel again. So today we have a room tour video. Yes, so we stayed at the Secrets Playa Mujeres all-inclusive resort in Cancun, Mexico in September 2023 for my husband's birthday. So here's the video, a little bit of a property tour, but mostly a room tour. We did have the junior swim out room. So yeah, this is us approaching the property. It did take about a 35 to 45 minute drive from the Cancun airport. So this is a very secure property, as you can see, and it's very secluded. So a lot of trees, a long drive. You can definitely take a nap from the airport to the resort. It did feel like a long drive, but finally we came up onto the sign. So Secrets and Dreams Resort is right next to each other. Secrets is the adult only and the Dreams is the family friendly resort. All of these resorts, both of the resorts are a part of the Hyatt Inclusive Collection. So we are coming up on the resort now. The first thing we saw is this beautiful water feature at the front of the building. It was super welcoming, super calming, and you guys, we are pulling up to the front of the resort now. So everyone was super friendly, the ride was super smooth, and we were greeted with cool towels because it was a very hot day. So once they gave us the towels, we went ahead and got off. Our transportation was called Amstar, and it was booked through the resort. They assisted us with our bags. We told them our room number, and they would have the bags up to our room whenever the room was ready, like a normal hotel. So here is just a little bit of the lobby area of the greenery. I loved all the wood beams. It seemed very clean. We were just so excited to get our vacation started. So here is a little bit of the lobby area. All right, so we are checking into the resort now, and our room was ready at around 3 o'clock. So here is a little bit of the information board, which I thought was neat. It shows what's going on throughout the day. And here's just a view from the lobby area. It's very open, it's very airy, allows the breeze to come through. And I just love how natural they kept this property. Very, very nice. So because the property is so large, you did have to take a cart everywhere you go. Basically, if you want to go to the lobby, to the area with the restaurants, and if you wanted to go to like the room area with the main pool, you did have to take a cart everywhere you go. You could walk, but it was a pretty long walk and it was very hot. So we definitely decided to take the carts everywhere we went. And this is us pulling up to the main area with the rooms and the main pool and everything like that. So a little bit more about this resort. It is a AAA 4-diamond award-winning adults-only resort. It's an all-suite resort, and like I said, it's about 30 to 45 minutes from the airport, 10 minutes from downtown Cancun, and it's near 18-hole signature Greg Norman golf course, which guests can use at their leisure, so that's included. It's a very tropical location, and it has 9 included restaurant options as well as 7 bars. You also have free access to the new Dreams Playa Mujeres Golf and Spa Resort, as I mentioned, which is right next to this resort. That is the family-friendly resort, and you actually have access to their restaurants, their slides, and everything that they have, which is really nice. You can take a cart right over to Dreams and enjoy that property as well, which adds an additional 10 restaurants and 13 bars and facilities, adding Dreams in that you have access to, which is really nice. So on to our room tour, guys. So we stayed in 3018, and this is a junior swim out suite room. So this is Dropbox for the food. Whenever you order room service, they don't have to disturb you. They will put the food in this box and you can get it whenever you're ready. It does come with a fully stocked mini fridge. And you can request what type of drinks you want in your fridge, but this really came in handy on those hot days. And here's just an example of the food being dropped in our box, which is super convenient. It had a coffee bar area, a place to put your suitcases right here. We didn't get to use any of these glasses or any of the coffee at all because we just had a great time. We really was rarely in our room actually. But here is the bathroom. Very, very neat and clean. It did come with 2 vanities, plenty of clean towels. The first thing I noticed was that jetted tub, but we'll get to that in a minute. This incense smelled amazing. We did burn it and it really smelled the room up really good. I love the smell of that, and that tub was awesome, and it has a view into the room as you can see. But as you can see, it does have the 2 separate sinks, which we enjoyed, and it did have towels and glasses and soaps. It was very nice bathroom. And this is what they call a shower closet, water closet actually, but we just call it a shower. And it does have a rain shower head, which I did not show in this shot, but if you look up, it does have a rainfall shower head and a separate toilet area. So once again, this is a junior suite with a garden view. We did choose the option with the 1 king bed, and this is the wardrobe closet. So this is the only option for a closet, but it does have your robes. You can have laundry service. You can actually have shoe shine service. Try saying that fast 3 times. You have your safe, your hair dryer, your iron. They even give you an umbrella, an ironing board, and like I said, you get about 3 drawers in here. So you can actually request shoe shining service. So it was a very well equipped closet, and it was big enough for us, and it did have additional linens and towels at the top. And as you can see, once you close it, the light goes off, and when you open it, the light comes on. Another thing we loved about this room, it did have a nice size flat screen TV, a dedicated desk area, a dining area, and a couch sitting area. So it was a very, very spacious room, and it was about 602 square feet. And like I said, this is an all-suite resort. So it has 424 luxurious suites, and they do have an option for the king bed or 2 queen beds, private terrace or balcony, full bathroom with hydro tub, complimentary mini bar, and so much more. They also have an option to upgrade to the preferred club, where you would enjoy an upgraded suite, access to an exclusive lounge, special concierge service, and other enhanced amenities. Back to our room, I just love the setup of this room. It was so clean. This bed was super, super comfortable. There's the phone directly on your nightstand. One thing, they do not have USB chargers on either of the nightstands, so you will have to charge your devices on the desk in front of you, but it was no problem at all. But now that we got that out of the way, let's go ahead and take a look at our direct swim out access with garden view. So as you can see here, it is a shared swim out area, but there were literally nobody else booked in these rooms. So we had that pool area all to ourselves. So here is another full look of our room coming back from the pool area, and we absolutely enjoyed this junior swim out suite. A little bit more about the resort. So you can relax poolside in 2 expansive swimming pools and 4 outdoor pools at this resort. You can work out in their fully equipped fitness center. They have indoor-outdoor activities such as stage shows, Caribbean dance lessons, cooking and cocktail classes, tennis court, golf, fishing tours, ping pong, beach football, and water sports also, kayaks, water polo, water aerobics, scuba diving lessons, jet skis, water skis, paddleboard, nearby golf course, fitness center again, You guys, we really enjoyed this. And also they have access to the dolphin habitat in the Dreams Playa Mujeres resort right next door, where you could literally swim with the dolphins. While searching for resorts, we were really drawn to their white sandy beaches and the stunning ocean views. Here's some footage we got on our drone. It really gives you an idea of how large and spread out the resort is. And just look at this beach, you guys. The water temperature was absolutely perfect. Us and the couple that came with us really enjoyed this beach. The sand was clean. There was no heavy seaweed presence. We really enjoyed ourselves. We swam all the way out, no issues. Like, everything was absolutely perfect. While we were here, we definitely checked out their spa, and it offers couples massages, single massages, body wraps, aromatherapy, beauty treatments. My husband and I took advantage of the couples massage, and it was such a great experience. They also have a nightclub with a DJ and karaoke, nightly entertainment and shows, and their Italian and Pan-Asian cuisine was out of this world. Definitely recommend it, and we actually compared it to some of the cruise cuisine that we've had, and this resort's food actually came out on top of many of them. All in all, we definitely feel like this resort was worth it, and the price was absolutely affordable. It was so affordable. We are definitely willing to come back and check out their other resorts within the Hyatt Inclusive Collection. Definitely are going to recommend this to our family and friends. And if you enjoyed watching this vlog, please leave us a comment down below, like, and please subscribe to our channel so we can continue bringing content like this to you. It is very important that you subscribe. You guys, thanks for watching, but it would help us out so much more if you hit that subscribe button and also hit that notification bell so you can know exactly when we upload new content. So thanks so much for checking out this video, and please stay tuned for our other day 2 and day 3 vlogs of our time at the Secrets Playa Mujeres Golf and Spa Resort in Cancun, Mexico.